and welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the NOAH Adidas Probound Low shoes. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store with some great shade items in there. So if you're looking to add some accessories that are acquainted with the Shade channel, be sure to head on over to that site after this video is done. Today we are going to be looking at some amazing collaborations done with NOAH and Adidas. First, we're going to go through the overview of the shoe, then we're going to jump into size and fit, followed by how I was able to style these shoes. Thanks so much, Adidas, for sending me some of these NOAH Adidas capsule pieces over my way. So I'm going to be able to show you not only shoes from this collaboration, but also clothes in the styling section. So then we are going to conclude with how the shoes are selling price point wise. All right, so let's jump into the overview on the NOAH Probound Low shoes. This definitely have some similar color schemes to the Rod Lavers, but one of the key similarities is actually, again, this mesh on the front of the toe box here. This is recycled plastic from the oceans. How crazy is that? I mean, it doesn't really feel like plastic whatsoever, but I love the fact that they used recycled materials on both shoes from the capsule. We've got some nice hues of light gray on top of that recycled mesh. As we work our way up, we've got synthetic leather for the tongue in white. Again, hues of that royal blue that really just pop off the white synthetic leather in that blue color scheme with the co-branding for NOAH and Adidas. Simple white laces were added to this. Again, some more just light gray hues on the sides of the eyelet. So let's just take a little look at those details. Working our way around, we've got just nice hints of that royal blue on the three stripes. Again, more white tones on the mesh that encompass the underlays of the shoe wrapping around to the heel. You'll see that we've got some nice navy synthetic leather with that red underneath. I think it really pops quite nicely off of the light brown, light gray and white mesh. On the inside, we've got just a simple royal blue insole with the co-branding in there. And then on the bottom, we've got just a simplistic white midsole and a white outsole to finish off the shoe. So let's take a look at those final details. All right, so before we jump into size and fit on these, I want to talk just a little bit about Brendon, who is the creative director of NOAH. For those of you who follow me on Supreme, you probably know him as the former creative director over at Supreme. He's also worked as the creative director for the high-end line of Pharrell's company, Billionaire Boys Club, and that was known as the B line. And then he started up NOAH, and it was started and founded upon the principles of this kind of eco-conscious brand that he really wanted to bring out there to those specifically in New York, because that's where the first store opened. And I just love what the company stands for, and it really makes sense on this specific collaboration why all of these, pieces that they really thought through have something to do with sustainability. And that's why the mesh was coming from something like recycled material from the ocean. So let's talk about size and fit on these. So I actually got these true to size in a 7.5, but actually on the website, it does say to size half a size down. And I will agree with them on this one. I do think that these run a little bit on the larger size. So I do have a little bit of extra space in both of these. For me, it's fine just because I will wear thicker socks to kind of fill in that gap that I have, but I would recommend, just like they do, to go half a size down on this one. Also, I do have narrow, higher feet. I do like to wear my shoes on the larger size, so that will give you a nice reference. So if you do have flat and wider feet, this could differentiate you from what size works best for me. All right, now let's jump into styling and how I style these. Again, Adidas was so kind to send me over some pieces from this collection that match both of these shoes perfectly. So for the first look, it was very 80s inspired with this floral print that you can see that I'm wearing now, and it is to honor the beautiful planet. And it is actually crafted from recycled polyester. So that is just kind of a description that they mentioned, saying that, just small acts of kindness can lead to making a larger and bigger difference, which is a really cool saying to base, your products off of. So I love the fact that they use recycled polyester on this really cool, just floral printed jacket. And I paired this with some floral print shorts, which are made out of the same material. And I feel like it just really together kind of made it look like a romper, which is really cool. But we've got the NOAH branding on the back of this jacket and a nice embroidered Adidas on the front and the 3 stripes on the arms, which really just kind of coordinates so nicely with this print. I've gotten so many compliments on this, especially when I was shooting it. People were walking by me and saying, "Oh, cool outfit." Second look, I did wear the same jacket again, but this time in the floral print track pants. Again, that is also made from recycled polyester, super lightweight. I know it's super hot in New York right now, so this was actually perfect just because of how light the material is. Definitely breathable, but I did like to have the option of pants just in case it's a cooler day and I don't feel like wearing shorts. And those pants matched, of course, this whole jacket look and made it look like a tracksuit. So love the 80s vintage vibes that they brought to the table with the design on this pattern. And last and finally, I paired this with the NOAH kind of painter vibe that they took with the Adidas jacket and pants, some painter pants, as well as some a chore jacket. And that is in a twill cotton, or cotton twill. So nice, very thick material, which is definitely going to last for a very long time. You can tell by feeling it how thick the quality and high tech that quality of material is. And it's got some nice embroidered NOAH and Adidas branding on that coat. And it's just a nice pop of white with some hints of that navy accent, which I think really are highlighted well with both of these shoes. So you let me know, out of those 3 looks, what was your favorite from the capsule. I think they did an amazing job with the shoot on the entire capsule. It just made me fall in love with all of the pieces.
But I love, I don't want you, but I need, and I need you. All I ever need.
interested in any of these pieces, I will have those links in the description down below, so be sure to check all of those out. And as far as sizing goes, I was a size small in all of these pieces. All right, now let's conclude with the price point on both of these. All right, so for the price point for the Rod Lavers, these were a little more pricier than the NOAH Probound low shoes. These are going for $100 while these are going for $120. If you're interested in still copying these, you can head over to the Confirmed app as well as the NOAH website, and you can find yourself a pair of these to add to your shoe collection. All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you're new here today, thanks so much for joining us. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, as well as feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. as well as feel free to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. Again, huge shout out to Adidas and a big thank you to everyone over there for sending me over these pieces of clothing from the collection, as well as these 2 shoes. And as far as videos go, we've got a ton of content we're going to be pumping out. So definitely stay tuned. All right, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all in the next episode.